Good day, viewers at home. You are welcome to Mathematics Lab with Mr. Major. We are looking at worked examples on properties of angles. If you are just seeing this video or you are just coming across this channel for the very first time, this is part 3 of properties of angles. So you can check this channel for the part 1 and part 2, where I have explained 6 different theorems on properties of angles. And in this part 3, I want to solve some questions on the properties I have explained in the previous 2 videos. Now, we have a question on the board. The question says that we should find angles X, Y, and Z. Solution. The first angle I'm going to look for here, I can look for angle X by considering this straight line. And that will be theorem number 2 of properties of angles, that says that when 2 or more angles meet on a straight line, as we have 37 and x here, their sum is 180 degrees. So on this straight line, we have 37 and x. That means we are saying that x plus 37 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now, you must state your reason why you said, or why we are saying it is 180 degrees. And the reason is angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line equal to 180 degrees. So from here now, we can collect our like terms. That means our x is equal to 180 degrees plus 37 degrees. Coming this way becomes minus 37 degrees. And 180 degrees minus 37 degrees will give us 143 degrees. That means angle X is equal to 143 degrees. So that is the answer to angle X. Now, let us move to solving angle Y. For angle Y, we can apply the first theorem, which states that vertically opposite angles are equal. If you look at this angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite because two straight lines crossing each other, we have vertically opposite angles. So if vertically opposite angles are equal, it means that angle Y is equal to 37 degrees. So we don't need to solve anything there. We just write angle Y equal to 37 degrees and state the reason in a bracket that they are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. So that is the answer to angle Y. We've gotten angle X, we've gotten angle Y. Now let's move to angle Z. For angle Z, we can use any of the 2 theorems I have used now, either the angles on a straight line as I used to solve for angle X, by considering 37 and Z as being under this straight line. Or we can consider Z and Y as being under this straight line. That is that. Then a shorter way is to look at vertically opposite angles. Angle X and angle Z are vertically opposite. So we can simply put it that angle Z equal to angle X. And the reason is vertically opposite angles. And if they are vertically opposite and they are equal, we have solved for angle X before and we obtain 143 degrees. That implies that angle Z is also 143 degrees. With this, we have solved for the 3 different angles. So therefore, X equal to 143 degrees, Y equal to 37 degrees, and Z equal to 143 degrees. That is the answer. Now, let us look at another question. All right, this is example 2. We are to look for angle X and angle Y. Firstly, you will notice that these angles here, that is X and 135, have no connection with angle Y and 63 because they are not meeting together here. So we treat this separate and treat this separate. Looking at X and 135, they are angles meeting on this straight line. That means angles on a straight line, meaning X plus 135 is equal to 180 degree. Reason angles on a straight line. Now, that means our X is equal to 180 degree plus 135 coming this way is 135 degree. That means our X is equal to 180 minus 135 should give us 45 degrees. So that is our X. The same thing is applicable to these two angles. They are meeting on this straight line. That means Y plus 63 degree is equal to 180 degree, and the reason is still angles on a straight line. Please, this is a mathematical way of abbreviating angles. Just a sign like this is angle. When you add S, that is angles, as I have here. Now we now have Y equal to 180 degree plus 63 coming this way because minus 63 degree. And that will give us 180 minus 63 should give us 117 degrees. So this is the value of X and this is the value of Y. Okay, let's move to question number 3. For question number 3, we have just one unknown angle here, that is X. Now, if we look, we have a vertical line like this, which is a straight line. That means all these angles rather, are meeting at that straight line. So we will still use the same angles on a straight line. That means we have 32 degrees plus 53 degrees plus X degree plus 34 degrees equal to 180 degrees. And the reason is angles on a straight line. Now, we will have 32 plus 53 will give us 85. Now, 85 plus 34 will give us 119. That means we have X plus 119 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Then our X is now equal to 180 degrees. This will become minus 119 degrees. And when we subtract, we will have 61 degrees as our final answer. Please click the link in this video, the description of this video, to see examples on angles meeting at a point, corresponding angles, corresponding angles, alternate angles, and interior angles of a transversal. Just click the link in this video. That is Properties of Angles Part 4. And please subscribe, like, share, and comment. You can even drop your question in the comment section if you have any question. But please subscribe.